Hello everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Today we are finishing up some shirts that I started for my girls. One is in 3-month clothes and one is in 5T. I have already started and I'm almost done with the 3-month-old one. It's just some granny squares, and then I need to put red, white, and blue yarn going down the sides, but it's not connected yet and I have to weave in ends. So I'm gonna do that. And then I have basically the whole 5 t-shirt to do. I have a couple of squares done, but I need to crochet a couple more, so I'm gonna do that. You can see that the squares aren't like super square. I don't know what happened. There's a little bit of rotation going on, but I'm thinking because it's not like a square like this, it's on a diagonal, it should be fine. But yeah, I am hoping to finish up these shirts today so that I can get on to some other fun crochet projects and some cleaning projects in the future. So let's go ahead, let's get crocheting the last of the squares, and then I'm going to crochet them together like so, put the border around them, and then I think what I'm gonna do for the tops is I'm gonna crochet like a long chain with a single crochet on it on all of the sides, and then I'm gonna tie it together so that it can be adjustable, because I'm not trying these on the girls, I'm just making them. And yeah, so yeah, I have the front and the back done. I have to weave in all of the ends, and then I have a lot of squares to make for the 5 t-shirt. And then we need to, sorry, cat food dispenser. And then we need to put all of the strings on the front and the back to add some length so it's not too, you know, for a baby and a 5-year-old. So she's actually 4, but wearing 5T clothes. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that, and hopefully we can finish these today. That'd be really cool, because I need to get these done. I've been procrastinating. I think I started these shirts like a month and a half ago. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and hopefully we can finish them today. Okay, I have all of the squares done. Now I just need to assemble it all. I am going to do some chores. I have to run and grab groceries again. It's like a daily thing here. And then when I get back, I'm gonna start assembling and hopefully finish these shirts tonight. I'm starting to not think it's gonna happen, but we'll see. Okay, I am getting very sleepy. It is after 10 o'clock. I have one of the bigger panels put together and both of the little ones. I still have one panel of the big ones to put together. All the squares are done though. So I'm hoping I can finish it right away in the morning. My goal is to finish it by 11 o'clock. I will probably be able to start working on it around 8 o'clock. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed and I will work on this in the morning. Okay, I'm still in my jammies, so don't judge, but I did finish, well, I still have to weave in all the ends and add all of the frillies, but I finished attaching them and I did the straps up here. I just did a double knot and I did like a chain of 30 and then a single crochet in each. I'm really liking how it's turning out. I think it's going to be super, super cute. I don't think I'm going to finish these in this video, but maybe in the thumbnail. Who knows? Hopefully. But yeah, I'm going to keep cranking away on them. I did the border on both of these ones. And now to do the straps and connect them. So I've weaved in some ends. I am gonna just start doing the little frillies because I can do ends later and I really want to get the shirt done so you guys can have like a better picture of what it looks like before the video ends. And I only have like 40 minutes before I'm cutting this off because I have other things to do today. And I can't be making these shirts the whole time. But I'm probably only going to finish this one, and then this one I will be working on throughout the next 2-ish days before we need them. Also, isn't she cute? All right, everyone, I am all dressed and ready for the day. I did not have time to completely finish the one shirt. I hopefully will get that done before this weekend, but here's what I got done. I still have the back to add in all of the little fringes. I'm gonna do that tonight. But I got the front done. I untwisted half of it. This is still twisted. I still need to untwist, but I think I like the look of the untwisted a lot more than the twisted. And then I just did a double knot up on the top, and then I have a ton of ends to weave in yet. But that is all I am doing for this video. I did use the Loops and Threads like classic cotton for the yarn for all of this. So if you are wanting to make one of these shirts, super easy, just a single crochet granny square and then connect them, do an outline. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But thank you all so much for hanging out with me and watching this video. I'm doing Vlogmas in July, well, kind of. I'm just doing a video every single day in July. I'm just really hoping to get more subscribers, more watch hours, maybe hit monetization by the end of the month. That would be super, super cool. But anyway, thank you all so much for hanging out. Let me know, would you wear this shirt? Yeah, I'm super excited to bring the kiddos to a parade wearing their brand new 4th of July outfits. Thank you all, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Bye.